Get ready for an epic showdown. The gym was alive with energy, filled with the sounds of weights clanking and people pushing their limits. On one side, a young woman was glued to her fitness app, her eyes locked on the screen as she followed along. The app, powered by cutting-edge AI, displayed a 3D model executing the exercises flawlessly, guiding her through each move. It meticulously tracked her reps, sets, and heart rate, adjusting the workout in real time to match her performance. Meanwhile, across the gym, a seasoned trainer was guiding his client through deadlifts, his expertise evident in every tip he offered. He provided encouragement and adjusted the weights, keeping a close eye on her form to ensure safety and effectiveness. Knowing her limits, he pushed her just a bit further, ensuring she gave her best effort. These two scenes highlight the evolving landscape of fitness, where technology and tradition intersect. AI is revolutionizing our workouts, offering personalized plans, real-time feedback, and guidance at our fingertips. But can it truly replace a human trainer who understands the nuances of motivation and physical form? The debate continues as both AI and human trainers bring unique strengths to the table, shaping the future of fitness in their own ways. Imagine having a personal trainer in your pocket. That's what AI fitness apps are doing for us today. It's like having a fitness guru available 24/7. These apps make it easy for anyone to get fit, no matter where they are or how busy their schedule is. Whether you're at the gym or chilling at home, your AI trainer is ready to go. They look at your goals, fitness level, and even what you like to eat. Then they create a workout and nutrition plan just for you. It's like having a personal chef and trainer rolled into one. AI is super fast. It can handle lots of information and give you tips and changes right away to keep you on track. No more waiting for feedback, it's instant. These apps are always ready, day or night. So, whether you like to work out early in the morning or late at night, your AI trainer is there for you. It's like having a gym that's always open. They keep track of everything you do and give you useful data to help you get better. This way, you know what you're good at and what you need to work on. It's like having a personal coach who never misses a beat. But some people miss the human touch. AI can guide you, but it can't replace the motivation and support you get from a real person. After all, sometimes you just need a high five or a pep talk from a fellow human. Human trainers offer more than just fitness tips. They bring energy, expertise, and a personal touch to every session. They motivate you, keep you accountable, and give you personal attention that an app can't. It's like having a fitness cheerleader and coach rolled into one. A good trainer knows your strengths and weaknesses. They push you safely beyond your limits, ensuring you achieve your goals without injury. My time with a human trainer was priceless. He tailored a challenging program just for me and was always there to support and encourage. He made a tough program for me and always supported and encouraged me. His expertise helped me break through plateaus and reach new heights. He celebrated all my wins and helped me through tough times. The camaraderie and shared journey were invaluable. The friendship and shared journey were things I missed when using just an AI. There's something special about the human connection in fitness. Picture this. You're on a mission to get fit. You have two contenders in your corner, a human trainer or an AI app. Let's dive into the ultimate fitness showdown. With an AI app, your workout is just a tap away. Anytime, anywhere, you're ready to break a sweat. No waiting, no commuting, just pure convenience. On the flip side, a human trainer requires scheduling. Coordinating times can sometimes feel like a puzzle. But here's the kicker. Human trainers excel at motivation. They can spot when you're struggling and give you that much-needed boost. They bring a personal touch, celebrating your victories and cheering you on every step of the way. AI apps, however, can sometimes be a bit robotic. They might not always get your unique needs or could run into technical glitches. Both AI and human trainers offer personalized plans. AI uses sophisticated algorithms to tailor routines just for you. AI analyzes your performance data and tweaks your workouts to keep you progressing. Human trainers with their keen eyes watch your form and make real-time adjustments. They can instantly adapt to your feedback and modify your workout on the fly. Let's talk dollars and cents. Human trainers can be pricey, which might be a hurdle for some. AI apps, on the other hand, are generally more budget-friendly, making fitness accessible to a wider audience. Ultimately, the choice between an AI app and a human trainer boils down to your personal needs. Both have their perks, so choose the one that aligns with your goals and budget. Enjoyed this video? Hit that subscribe button for more exciting fitness tips and comparisons.